Mama wakwaba wafreme Adjoa Mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more memes. Ora Slomon Nkansah awe NDC ni na wokase na edensem na wokane sem wokan ina ne se eye ora Alantre Martin asese odini tu se bufem we throw in the towel say eye NPP presidential race no enya do betumi atoa so bio no emana won fa sombo no emfa embo obia ne bom no NPP fo anaso mo kasa efasa ensemi a betodwa no no mo fa sombo ni na emfa embo honorable Kennedy akompreku e Japan ena afenso ye beka ya abra his excellency na nado dan kwakufado eyi niti ewo omanpani dada akufo ne penso se obe contest no ene omanpani dada akufo esanse na ope ye rural cash na sementi no oye DCU oye MPO oye government appointee dia na ukoye wadwen so support his excellency na nado dan kwakufado then presidential candidate dia na cheze utunyabo enti ne sense ne sisi 2008 no ebia so na esi ndi enti no ene ye kama kesepa na esi ende na ebusuafo ye nyenim ensem na ekoso ye rural cash rural Martin sisi also NPP race no ontumi ento asubio ne reasons nyane se nano abeyo mokoto yi awmo esoni ni patents yi 5 ose abato no de course ene se intimidation bi ekoso afenso abobabo prepra ni polling agent bako na nipa ye na de second ose the election was skewed to favor one person na chese one person na chese nsem rural and cash can ho na se no work nipa odi kan edi first vice president Dr. Bawumia na sem en work ntinya de a so wetime awie media ma ya bato no ontumi nto aso bi NPP form mfa neno na ura Slomon Nkansah awoye NDC ne ode ensem na tudwa yenti ensem a ura Slomon ede etudwa.
The unfortunate thing that happened to Alan is Kennedy Japan. Ken no have a presidential ambition, but he went about it in such a manner that the whole party people have not seen it as his deliberate presidential strategy. And there were one polling station elections. Kennedy made donations to the various regional and constituency executive to use it as a monitoring aid. Kennedy, I want also my iskawe me yako boy dem kofi mako ese na. Dem nsam no yanti be free Alan. Obo so he somewhere somehow or overshadow Alan getting to the period of the presidential election. And also financial power. Inti very any hit. Senga Kennedy amba race ni mo. And Alan Benya trying to be no they are gonna about 25% or so on go free the oil frank. Aqua Central region. Kennedy did better in his home region than Alan. There. He has his background there. Kennedy has his background. But Kennedy came that close. Aqua Ahafwa. Kennedy did better than Alan. Ahafwa is much more an Ashanti land. And what until Alan throwing in the towel. If you are, when you do the calculation well, it could also come from a very sincere and honest self-assessment going into the election with Kennedy's unyielding stance. Maybe Kennedy is not ready to allow Alan to face Bawumia. You understand?
So it could also be that Kennedy was planted against Alan. Is that what you are saying?
I don't want to say it. I want to lay the facts back for Professor Nko to come. I mean, to my fault to commit a certain crime in my party, anti-party conduct. And I'm not matching them all the way. You understand? Bawumia, their style, what do you want campaign? I told somebody, I told a friend, there one campaign now, warrior. were very, very ruthless in terms of political strategy. They are not taking any chance. And they are moving in droves because they have the opportunity. But I mean, one day, or they sympathize with Alan.
Okay. Why?
Because when you observe the situation that happened in NPP today, it's far better than what happened under JF. What under JF for we are DC now show with for Alan, other party, where you ready? You remember?
Say the food that was served in 2007, the beer no Alan and then.
Fantastic. And now Alan, all contest now the team or they will have in mind that they are going to face the establishment. And what is their strategy? And now Mahmoud Bawumia or a certain sympathy. In Kofumu, say, I don't know why a campaign 2012, 2008, 2016, what got to about Tiana? And Shana, the Mabana, what to tell about me, what they issue that is I before crowd drop about me, Diana, one I can. So they face a whole lot of critical thinking. Now, baby, Bawumia side is why mistaken there. Around this time, they have to do a serious negotiations. They have to do a lot of negotiations because the governance system now here.
Ye bia ni ho a ebeye adwuma omo bo mabaso baby bebrea vice president akono me there I just like senior party for no asonimu ye welcome no ebi omu delay but obeba no na utimu se odo no still a ewo ho so ati ase nti no ekoyi
okay
ekoyi pa nti ebebo na baso
yes nti minim ni nyina no woka kusi sai
the American man akosie nyina ne se
because nyambo Wednesday no be free asante region ha
yes the American man akosie nyina ne se onipa no a friend Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Nkansah no obo ne homodin otiase ye di dwuma ahye enkofo bebre nsa especially vice president ye hu bia na vice president we die in fact odanso ewo ni ya oyemu otiase eniema a wodi be hye ne nsa bia ya de a babonti a otim se nimdie ni nyansa ewom otiase enna onu Ankasa susu no ni suban ni ye na ho brase onze Ghana fo de omumpe nipo ye kitikiti o otiase obi a obuo eni ni die kwan so de ma nipa no eno no omope no and this is the character yehu e papa mu ahon brase eni kwan obefa so akasa na wa chirechire ni nsemu no eso na eso ni papa enti no asante mantemu ha nyina no ya gina tumu prekope oti ase ni ewura na otumfo so yedan no oti ase onu so agina tum o se ne ba no ye fe na agema mebo agema ya me po amtie na metima aka se me support